Good morning, y'all. Happy day 3 of Blackathon, the Blackathon challenges. I'm so freaking excited. So I know I'm still wearing the same clothes that I was wearing last night. I haven't showered yet, but I'm going to. The reason I haven't showered yet is because my mama and I are going to get in the hot tub. So after that, I will shower and change. And today is the 2-month anniversary. The 2-month anniversary of Abuela's passing. So in honor of Abuela, we are going to have café con horchata because no. We're gonna have café con what is this that she likes?
Rum chata.
Rum chata. I said horchata.
Like, were you doing a commercial or
a commercial?
Horchata.
Horchata. I'm a bad Mexican. I get words mixed up all the time. Okay, café con rum chata in her honor because she had that every morning and she loved it. And we are having a big celebratory dinner tonight. We're going to do we're gonna do like a nice seafood boil with cornbread. That's gonna be my Afrocentric treat. We're gonna do a scampi with pasta. What are you doing? She's dancing back there. She's having a good time. So we're gonna make homemade cornbread together, which I've never done before. And I don't know if y'all know, but my mama is a retired chef. So I always am happy to take cooking tips from her and to cook with her and to be in her honorable kitchen. And then the book that I'm gonna try. Why do you look so lost?
Oh, I was never mind.
The book that do I have boogers in my nose? Okay, I don't think I do. The book that I'm going to be starting today is the group book for Team Science Fiction Fantasy. It is the lesson, and it is about aliens who come to the Virgin Islands. I'll check in with y'all later. Yeah, who's a good boy? Who's a good? Stop eating the dog. Stop eating him. Yeah, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Is it killing you, Akasha? Do you feel personally victimized by me touching another dog? You can't even bear to look, can you? All right, reading time. Woot woot, woot woot.
My name is Jack. I have a big smile. Smile.
He likes it. She doesn't.
Surely this 54-year-old man is not texting a teenage girl.
We're gonna drink a nice little extra strong pot in honor of 2 months of Grandma being gone.
How are you gonna say it's strong and then add more alcohol?
Well, I want you to taste it. This San Lou. It's so good.
Crazy.
It's so hot! Oh, it's already on. Did you turn it on?
No. You're recording?
Yeah.
No.
I didn't realize that. I did
The red
hit the
button
button.
is still there. It's still red.
I'm saying I didn't turn it on. No, there's a timer.
Oh.
It's on.
Oh, shit.
Whoops.
Hey.
It's so nice.
8 degrees outside. Not bad.
8 degrees. You been drinking this?
I might have.
Wait a second.
To Grandma, yes.
To Grandma.
I love the sun shining for us.
Okay, so it is getting dark. It is approaching 6 o'clock here. Definitely running more slowly than we intended to because my madre and I really enjoyed our time in the hot tub. We spent quite a while in there, and I wanted to make sure that I updated y'all before I lost the natural light on my thoughts on the lesson. It's premature to say. I am only 72 pages into this book, but when I tell you that I think that this book has the potential to be my favorite book of Blackathon, I am loving every single sentence. It's amazing. It's incredible. I love the character work, the character establishment, and the interactions feel so believable. But then I also really like the way that non-linear storytelling is done. It creates this constant sense of suspense and thrill that I just love. I want to keep reading, and every single page is just sucking me in. This book is amazing. It's so freaking good. I can't wait to see where it's going. I didn't realize that it started out not being supernatural and then the world becomes supernatural. I thought that the way the book was written was that the characters had already been living among the aliens for quite some time, and that's not true. You meet these characters before they encounter the aliens, and then you see how time has changed for them in the future. I'm just really, really loving this book. It's so good. It's really been difficult to tear myself away, but I am going to help my mom with the dinner, so I should put this book down and help.
¿Qué es eso? It's the separation from the butter.
Oh.
When it separates, this is what is separated.
Oh, yo veo. Come on, it looks so good.